Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy Chile Verde. It tastes so great inside enchiladas or in tacos or even by itself. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my 30 weekly recipes. Now let's get started. Adding 2 onions to the pan along with 4 cloves of garlic and 5 jalapenos, which I removed the seeds from to make this mild. And I'm adding a half a pound of tomatillos along with the smaller tomatillos as well. Cover this with water and bring it to a boil just until all of your tomatillos have changed in color. Once they changed in color, drain out all that liquid, and I'm gonna blend this all together to make a salsa. I'm adding to the pan a few pieces of broken up chicharones, which are fried pork rinds, along with some shredded up carnitas, which is also a fried pork that you can find in your Latin supermarkets. The chicharones add a phenomenal, almost buttery taste to this Chile Verde. They soften up in all that salsa, which just tastes amazing. I made a huge batch for a party, but the recipe is listed down below for a smaller amount. Pour all that salsa verde over the pork and add the salt and allow this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Your quick and easy Chile Verde is ready to serve. Have this with rice or beans, or serve this in tacos with some fresh tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my weekly quick and easy recipes.